Hi guys, if your Onkyo receiver is powered on but it is not showing anything on your TV, this guide is going to help you exactly how to fix it. So first of all, on an Onkyo ASV receiver, you just have to make sure that the HDMI cable is connected from the HDMI out on the receiver to your TV's HDMI port. Avoid using HDMI in by mistake, and this is the most common setup issue. Afterwards, you just have to simply use your TV's remote and switch to the correct HDMI input where the receiver is connected. If your TV has multiple HDMI port, you can try each one. No display often means the wrong input is selected. Now, if you are using the ARC, you can plug into the ARC labeled HDMI port on your TV. Then simply enable the HDMI CEC or ARC in both the TV and the receiver settings. This is going to ensure proper signal communication. Afterwards, you just have to simply press and hold the display or the resolution button on the receiver to cycle output resolution. Sometimes the receiver outputs a resolution on your TV doesn't support. So switching the resolution is going to restore the picture. You can also try a different HDMI cable or connect another device to the same port. If another device works, it means that the issue is with the receiver or its settings. So this is going to help you isolate the problems quickly. So these steps are going to fix most of the display issues on Onkyo receivers quickly. So you can try and let me know if that works. Thank you.